Hi, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is the second part of that Old Bay shrimp recipe. Today we're going to make pizza on top of naan bread. I cooked that Old Bay shrimp in a batch the other day, and it's in the salad recipe that you're already seen. So today I'm going to use it on this pizza, on the naan bread. And that's the thing, you can take like shrimp, chicken, or steak, cook it up in a batch, have extra, and make like 2 or 3 meals out of it. So for today's recipe, we have that naan bread. I put it in the pan with garlic butter, and you could see how dark it got. It got brown. I got pesto, pizza sauce, pizza cheese. There's that Old Bay shrimp. Another type of cheese, I'll put that in the description. I cannot pronounce it. Grape tomatoes and zucchini with garlic. So that's zucchini with garlic. So we're going to start off first with a thin layer of pizza sauce. Alright, so you see that I put that pizza sauce on there. So I used the pizza sauce. Now I'm going to use this other cheese. Like I said, I cannot pronounce it, so I'm going to put it in the description. Alright, so we have that other cheese, and we're going to just quickly spread that on the pizza. So put a layer of that on there, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, so we have that cheese on there. Next we're going to take the pesto, and I know it's going to be hard with this cheese. You could have put it on before, but just lightly spread it out across the layer of cheese. It doesn't have to be thick, you just want to add a little bit of pesto in there, just for the taste. Alright, so we have that pesto down there. If you want it, like I said, you could have put it on top of the tomato sauce, pizza sauce. Now take pizza cheese and put that around the pizza. With this, when it's all completed, you can either put it in the microwave, toaster oven, your oven, or you could put it in a pan with water to create steam and cover it and melt the cheese. So just put this cheese on. If you want extra cheese, that's your decision, but just put on a layer of pizza cheese or mozzarella. Alright, so you have that cheese on there. Next step is to throw on some of the zucchini, spread it out, and take the tomato and just spread that out. So you're going to want to do that next. Alright, so you have that tomato on there and the zucchini. Now we're going to take this Old Bay shrimp and just place a couple pieces here and there. And we're all set. Now we're going to just warm this. If you do it in the microwave, like I said, it's every 20 seconds. Alright, so you can see that's a nice hearty piece of pizza. He couldn't even eat this whole thing. So now we're going to warm it. And then after that, we will plate it. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your Old Bay naan pizza with vegetables. So with your imagination, anything's possible. So you can see that shrimp, got the tomatoes in there, got zucchini, garlic. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, tell your friends and family. I will keep going. I'll bring you updates Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and bonus ones in between. But I'm here for you. I've never made this recipe. 95% of my recipes are new. So thanks for taking this journey with me. And this one tastes really good and something different. Peace. Love you. God bless. Dan Soy out. Peace. Love you.